Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be setting up for May. It's a beautiful day outside. I am filming way in advance as it's only April 11th. Yeah, I make my stickers, so I need to know that they work for you guys. It is only April 11th. I'm filming quite a bit ahead, but I do this to get everything ready for you guys. So here are my inserts for May, and this is the planner that I have been, the setup that I have been using, and I'm really liking it. And all it is a vegan leather cover from a 7x9 that I cut down and punched holes in it to make it ring bound. Added these, I did change these to kind of a antique brass kind of color because I thought it went better with the harbor. And that's it. And it's fun. And I like it, and it's been working great. So I still have March and April in here, and that's why I have the inserts right here for May. So that's what we're going to do today, is the May calendar. Yeah. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. I don't know if we're going to do the dashboard or not. We'll see what we have left for stickers. So this is my May monthly printable digital sticker kit. You purchase this file and you print it on your printer, and then you use your Cricut to cut it. And you can also use your silhouette, I found out. I don't have a silhouette, I don't use a silhouette, but this is just a PNG file. So you just pull that into Silhouette and set it up however you set it up, and it'll cut it out for you also. A cheaper alternative to buying stickers. So let's get this on here. All right, so now we have the header, and let's do a little bit, oops, here it is, a little bit of decorating. What holidays? We got Mother's Day, Cinco de Mayo, so I'm gonna stick, I think a blue one on here for Mother's Day. Or I could do the pink one. Oh well, whatever. We're gonna put this one down here for Mother's Day. I have my windows open so you can hear a train in the background possibly. Oh, and Memorial Day. Let's put the yellow one for that. Or should we do all the, well, let's do all the holidays, this blue color. That way we won't have to decide. I don't know. I don't celebrate Cinco de Mayo, so I think I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to leave that one like that. I do have my daughter's birthday, though, right here. So let's give her a color. And I should make a happy birthday sticker, which I have not done. Hard to get these bottom ones straight without having the line in here. So when I was making my own months, drawing it in, I had the line. All right, and I think I'm going to use one of these over here to put a little, I think I do upcoming, and I do like a next month, and then I have other like special bills that come out here. So I could put notes up here, and then I could put upcoming down below. Oh, why can't I get that straight? Jeez. Got a slight headache. I should have took something for it, and I didn't. So right here, we're going to put just notes, I think. This design I actually drew myself. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it was fun to draw something very simple and just see it come to life to be the design for May. So now I'm going to take another yellow one down here for next month. Should I write it in? Let's write it in. Oh, and I have my friend's birthday too up here. So let's take one for her. Her birthday's up here. I want to look back at April here because I need to put in some like the garbage, the recycle kind of stuff. Do I have those stickers? Of course not. I'm just going to put a little R, I think, for now. So it's not 27th. So it's going to be this day. I'm just going to put a little R underneath the number, and then I can find the sticker later. I'm trying to think what else I have here to put. So let's put in my friend's birthday. It would help if I could write today. Jeez. And then daughter's birthday. Okay, what was this? Mother's Day and Memorial Day. Okay, what else do we put in here? I guess that's really all I know that's going on now, besides bills, and I'll write all my bills in here too. Yeah. Next month, June, nothing really upcoming at the moment. Like I said, it's only April 11th, so we kind of far ahead. So let's add some of these decor in here. So we have space down here the most. I'm gonna put those houses down here. Actually though, I think that I want to put some of this first. I could put it on the bottom though instead, couldn't I? Maybe I'll do that. Make it run all the way to the bottom, or onto the bottom. Should have brought my X-Acto knife. And then stick our house right in the middle here. And then we have some flowers that we can stick next to it. Kind of big, kind of big to the house. I think maybe instead, how many do I have? I should have put them, let's do it this way instead. Since we have the tulips already down there, let's put these by the special happenings. The birthdays and the holidays and such. This kit's really, really colorful. I like it. I have one more house, but I don't know if I should stick it up there, or we could, you know what we can do? We will save it and we will put it on the dashboard. Let's take this one here. Just, I mean, it's kind of the same blue. Should we do that? Just stick that right on here maybe to add a little bit of color. That there. And then we'll take our other strip of washi and kind of put that on here. Again, I could have put it on the bottom instead. Maybe that. It's not fully stuck down. Let's do it down here. You can do it any way you want. You can print off more and have more. Jeez, doing a horrible cutting job there. So crooked. We'll fix it up there. There, I think that looks cute. I can also stick a yellow one on here. Can label that with something. There, that looks cute. Okay, so we have the month of May here, done with the month and the dashboard. And we're all set and we're all ready for May. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.